a Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers safe? Quality Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are essentially safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to a corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted to each Suzuki Jimny hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers in stock. In-stock half-century Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the leather nuts can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers allow the wheels to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing minimum chance of vibration. Quality Suzuki wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional wheel spacers, forged aluminum Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are much stronger as well as for longer service life. Selecting the best Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation tools to make brake cooling better. Distribute into the shape. These tools allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously inert the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and increasing safety. Also, the BONOSS active cooling Suzuki wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.